Christmas 2005. Oh, now let's go get a tree. Come on, bud.
Hi, Elliot. Say hi.
Hi.
Say
Hi. This is Charlie.
Alexa.
Hi.
Daddy.
Hi, Billy. Film the tree.
Is there a way to get closer in this thing? Dad's cutting down the Christmas tree.
Anyone else want to lay in the snow and do it?
Anybody else?
Daddy, Hannah's getting her Christmas tree today too.
Alexa's eating snow.
Me too.
So is
Anyone
Julia.
else want to cut?
There's Elliot. Elliot, up here. He's stupid.
I'll be right there.
Hey. Elliot, look up.
You hear me.
Well, you can't see yourself when you're on this side.
I'm going to try to cut.
Come here and cut it. Get her cutting, Michael.
Okay.
I can't get it cut.
Let's try it for a little bit.
No.
Julia's too scared to cut.
I'll
There's
try.
Oh,
Okay.
now she's gonna try. You're stupid. Up here.
Too fast, Michael.
Can't get under the dang tree. How do you move this thing? I can't move.
Move it.
I'll get it.
Hi.
There she goes.
Oh! The Christmas tree has fallen.
Christmas tree has fallen.
Julia, get out of the way. There it is. Julia, move. There's the tree. Poor tree. Died. Alexa.
Okay, Elliot, this is where we sing.
And me.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Your turn. No?
Ah! Snowmobilers!
Here, Mike. Drag it back.
People down there.
Ready to go, Al?
You're stupid.
This stem's all green.
I painted it.
My house, see?
Making tracks.
Okay, let's go.
Miranda, can you move?